Today, I want to talk regarding one of the most popular and talk of the town web hosting company, and that is Hostinger. So, in this video, I will be doing a detailed review of Hostinger, including its pricing, ease of use, features, combinations, and everything, plus a special discount coupon code for anyone who is looking to buy their hosting from Hostinger. But let's get started on Hostinger detailed review. So there are a few things, first of all, which are a very good sign for Hostinger, and Hostinger has right now at this moment, 4+ million people using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I am using it from the last 3 to 4 years. And if I talk about my personal experience, I never had to see any downtime. If I talk regarding their control panel, the control panel is with the name of each panel. So you may see over here that C control everything. You may see this is one of their finest control panel, very easy, very friendly to use. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it. I will also show you a detailed step-by-step tutorial on this. Also, there were few things which inspired me, or was the reasons I shifted on Hostinger. Like they have loaded centers all around the world, 24/7 support, and because I was really concerned regarding my speed, and I'm right now at the business plan, and I'm using this NVMe storage, which is even faster than SSD storage. Also, SSD itself is very faster, but this was another reason which is why I opted for Hostinger. So, and these were the things. Apart from this, another thing which inspired me was the security features. If you simply select the see all features and move around to their security features, like they have enhanced DDoS protection, malware scanner, free domain host privacy protection, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name server, secure access manager. So you have almost everything which can protect your website from all the malwares, errors, issues. Plus hosting your website, the builder is very good. Although I do not need it, I hardly have used it. But if people do not know how to create a website, it's very easy for them, and I will try to show that as well. So now I'm going to log into my account. So they may ask me to log into my Gmail account, so I can log in, and then I will show you their control panel inside. So this is my control panel over here. You may see over here that this is Hostinger Horizon. This is a new feature where you just chat with AI and you tell them and it's executed. This is my web hosting plan, and if I'm going to manage my web hosting from over here, I simply am going to go over here, and then here I can see my domain. You may see over here I'm using it from 2021, so it's 2025, and so it's more than it's a 3.5 years, because it's going to be 4 years in my December 2025. So my website is safe. I'm just using 20% of the resources. There may be some plugins detected which needed improvement. So I can manage my WordPress over here. I can see my WordPress over here. Now this is the control panel I'm showing you over here. So these are my plan details, resource usage. I can see my performance over here as well. I can see my page speed over here. I can see my CDN. Okay, I have not yet established the CDN, because with the CDN I had some issues with some of my plugins. I can see my analytics. I can see my security features, WordPress auto updates, malware scanner, SSL. This is my domain area. This is my website area. I also have auto installers available. So if I have to install WordPress, WooCommerce, or other, I can simply install it from over here as well, so which makes it very easy. There are ample of applications. You may see over here the number of applications they support, which makes the process very easy. So you can install any. In case if I want to add another website, migrate website or copy website, I can do it over here. So for the files, if I want to manage my file manager, databases, advanced security features, so I have almost everything over here. So this is the control panel overview. Super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any much issues. And now coming back to my hosting over here, you can see my daily backups are enabled, which is very good. Security and data protection is very important. So daily backup was another reason which is why I opted. So guys, in case if you want to buy hosting from Hostinger, with the AI website builder plus AI tools, make sure to click on the link in the description if you want to enjoy a special discount. Because in this video, I will also tell you how you can claim as much as every 91% off when you buy your hosting from Hostinger with a special discount coupon code link in the description of this video. So scroll below. You may see over here the reviews. 48,000 people claiming Hostinger to be very good. You may see yourself the reviews, and you may see that almost majority of the reviews are very praising reviews. And the best thing is that all the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, and you can cancel anytime. There are no contracts limit. So, but if you want a discount, you may have to opt for the contract as well. So for this, you can do a thorough search of all the plan features by simply select the see all. I did the see all features over here and do a thorough review. After this, let's say we're going with the business plan. Simply choose select the choose plan with any plan. Now you can claim as much as up to 91% on any plan. So once you select the choose plan, you may see that you are being now redirected to another page. Here you can see that this is a special exclusive limited time deal running right now. So Hostinger offer 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Now to grab the maximum discount, I highly recommend you to offer the 48 months. Here you are getting free domain plus 3 months free extra. So 3 months plus free domain plus 48 months and free setup, free daily backups. But this doesn't end here with Hostinger. You are also going to get, if I write this coupon code, you can find this coupon code in the description of this video. So once I apply this coupon code, you may see that your discount got a further discount, making it up to 91%. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use, and that is with the name of HI10. So you can use either of the coupon code as per your convenience. So let's say we're going with the HI10. You can see over here that the price got a further discount. After this, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part before making a payment. You may be asked to log into your account, but since I'm already logged in, which is why they are not asking me, you may see your order summary over here at Hostinger. And after this, write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details over here, simply select the continue and move on to the last part. You may see the 30 days money back guarantee is going right now, and here you may see multiple payment methods. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you have ample of options to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. There are no restrictions. So let's say we're going with the credit card. Write your credit card details and simply select the submit button, and you're gonna get email from Hostinger within few minutes with all of your hosting plans, account details. So just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 3 to 4 years. My experience so far is very good. 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. They got amazing reviews on Trustpilot. The control panel is super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner, even a newbie can operate it. Pricing is very competitive, especially with the discount coupons I have included in the video. And features wise, they are very good. You are getting amazing security features with Hostinger. So it's a all in a one bundle deal. So if anyone who's looking to buy their hosting from Hostinger, I definitely recommend people to use Hostinger, especially with my discount coupon code link, and use either of the discount coupon code to get additional discount. It's a special discount, which I have got from Hostinger for my audience. So I look forward, on welcoming all of you to Hostinger. So I hope you like this amazing review of Hostinger in 2025. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.